How to fix slow internet on your PC? Maybe videos take longer to load, downloads are slower, or web pages seem to take forever to open. The strange part is that your phone, TV, and other devices keep working normally. When that happens, the issue is not always with your home internet connection. The signs show up before the cause becomes obvious. Many people notice small freezes when opening websites or messages that take longer to send. Sometimes everything works fine. Shortly afterward, the slowdown comes back. This behavior is often a sign that something is interfering with communication between the computer and the network. It's not always your internet provider's fault. There is one detail many people overlook. Your own computer can create the impression of slow internet. Updates, file syncing, and programs running in the background may consume part of your connection without drawing attention. When you need speed, it's simply not available. When the delay happens before the website opens, there's a step that takes place before any page loads. Your computer needs to find out where it should connect. That's exactly where DNS comes in. It works like a contact list that helps locate the correct address for each website. When that lookup takes longer, some pages can seem slow, even though the connection itself is working normally. The problem may be inside the computer. Another important point is that slow internet and a slow computer can look exactly the same. If the browser takes too long to respond, storage is overloaded, or available memory is running low, browsing becomes sluggish. In many cases, the data has already arrived, but the system takes longer to display it. Some simple adjustments can make a difference. Before looking for more complex problems, it's worth checking what's using your connection and your computer's resources, closing unnecessary programs, reducing background tasks, and restarting your network equipment can help a lot. In many cases, the improvement is noticeable almost immediately, when the signal arrives weaker than it should. If the slowdown happens only in certain rooms of the house, the signal may be struggling to reach them. The behavior can be confusing. One moment everything works normally. The next, the connection becomes unstable for no apparent reason. This pattern usually points to communication issues between the computer and the network. Understanding the symptom speeds up the solution. Many people try several fixes without knowing the real cause of the problem. The result is wasted time and little improvement. Paying attention to when the slowdown occurs and which activities are most affected usually leads to the answer much faster. In summary, fixing slow internet on a PC starts with identifying whether the cause is the connection, the signal, or the computer itself. In your case, does the slowdown happen more during downloads, videos, or when opening websites?